Hi everyone, it's midweek. And just like real estate locations, do you know that our success needs a clear GPS? So today, you heard it, it's GPS for success. The first one being goals. Are we setting clear, measurable targets? If so, what are they? Number two, in terms of preparation, be the most prepared, whether in person, online, and especially if we need to meet people face to face, better be early than sorry. Finally, number three, letter S, service. Go beyond transactions because always, you and I, we need to deliver value. Proverbs 6:3 reminds us, commit to the Lord whatever we do, and He will establish our plans. So the question for today is, which part of our success GPS needs to be recalibrated? Is it our goals, preparation, or service? Feel free to comment, and you and I, let's grow together. Connect with us, Carol at enhanceYourImage.Asia. Be reminded, stand out and shine.